Hello, let's see this question. WASSCE June 2020, question 12c. A cow is tied to a post at the center of a square grazing field outside 25 meters by a rope 10 meters long. Find correct to decimal the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. This question is very practical and very interesting. Okay. So there is a cow who is tied to a post at the center of a square grazing field. So you draw the square. So this is my square. All right. Okay. And the cow is tied at the center of a square grazing field. So the cow is at the center. Let's say this is our center of the square grazing field. Okay. Outside 20 meters. So the square has a side of 25 meters. Okay. So since a square, all the sides are the same, 25, 25. By a rope. So the rope that the cow, okay, has been tied, the rope that has been tied on the neck of the cow, and where the cow is at the center of the square grazing field, the rope is 10 meters long. So let's say this is the rope. Okay, and the rope cannot reach the end because if this is the center, when you divide 25 by 2, you are going to get 12.5. Okay, 12.5. So, and the rope is just 10 meters. Okay, so the rope is just 10 meters. So this is the rope, just 10. So the rope cannot reach here. Okay, the rope will just reach here. Okay, 10. Then it's a fine, correct to understand the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. So this is the whole field. You are going to look at where the cow is able to graze on, able to feed on. So if this is the rope, then the cow, he cannot go any place beyond the rope. So if that means we look at the where the place the cow can go. Okay, because it's a rope, it means that the distance from the cow to any place, okay, in the square field, the cow cannot go beyond 10 meters because the rope is 10 meters. So the cow would not be able to go any place beyond 10. The cow can only go any place less than 10. All right. So that will give us a circle. So if the distance from the center to any of the points will have equal distance, okay, then that will give us a circle. All right. So we will have a circle. Okay, so if the cow even can come here, the cow can also come here by just 10 meters. Okay. The cow can come here by just 10 meters. Okay. So this is how our circle is going to be. So the cow, if the cow will go here, it will go here by 10 meters. If the cow will come here by 10 meters. Okay, so the cow can only graze on the space covered by the circle. So let's say that the cow has grazed if it is grass, all the grass here. So there is grass here. Okay. The cow is not able to graze this particular side, the unshaded portion. So the cow will be able to graze the space covered by what? The circle. And we are supposed to find correct to this decimal the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. So percentage of the field the cow is able to, so if the percent of the field the cow is able to graze on, then we find what? The space the cow is able to graze on. Then we divide by the total space of the field. Then we multiply by what? Then we multiply by 100. Okay. So the space will be the area. So area of the grazing field will be what? 25 times 25 square. Okay. Then we get the area of the grazing field. So 25 times 25 will give us 625. So 625 meters square. So this will be the area of the grazing field. Okay, and we are finding the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. So we have to find what? the area of what? The area the cow is able to graze on. So that is the circle. So area the cow is able to graze on. Okay, and that is a circle. So pi r squared. All right. So what is our pi? 22 and 7. What is our radius? So you can see that this will become the radius of the square. Okay, the 10 meters square. So 22 over 7 times 10 square. That will give us 314.2857 meters square. 314.2857 meters square. So this is the area the cow is able to graze on. Okay, the circular space there. And we are finding the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. Therefore, percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on, okay, will be equal to what? The percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. The cow is able to graze on the circular portion here. So what is the area? That is 314.2857 divided by the area of the grazing field, which is 625. Then you multiply by 100%. Then that will give us the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on. So 314.2857 divided by 625 times 100. That will be 50.2857. So we were asked to correct our answer to what? To 2 decimal places. So to 2 decimal places, that will be 50.29%. 50.29%. So the percentage of the field the cow is able to graze on is 50.29%. I believe this is understood. So simple for us. Okay, I will see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.